Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with
A, B, C.
When you sing, you begin with do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi. The first three notes just happen to be do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Oh, let's see if I can make it easier. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun.
Mi.
A name I call myself.
Fa.
A long, long way to run.
So, a needle pulling thread. La.
A note to follow. So,
T. A drink of jam and bread.
that will bring us back to do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, do. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things.
When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. And up in the nursery, an absurd little bird is popping out to say cuckoo, 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 to say goodbye to you. So long, farewell, I'll be to saying good night.
I hate to go and leave this pretty sight. The sun has gone to bed, and so must I.
So long, farewell, I'll be to saying goodbye.
Thank you very much. Thank you, judges.